Falmouth today?
We're in Falmouth and Joey's making us go the complete wrong way, and he's now screaming and shouting because he thinks he's going the right way. And now we're having to follow them, which are going the wrong way, and we're not actually going to the beach, we're going to nowhere.
Joey's not cooperating this morning.
No,
But we're in Falmouth. We're in Falmouth.
Falmouth.
Supposed to be going to the beach, but Joey went the opposite
Instead,
way.
we are walking down alongside it.
Yeah.
He wants to go to the beach, but he wants to walk this way. This is what they call Turtle Beach,
Yeah.
which is quite rocky most of the time. Up there you can see Pendennis Castle. As you just walk along the seafront here in the direction towards the castle, there are these steps that you can go down and through a little tunnel here, and it will lead you down towards what they call Turtle Beach. Castle Beach is a bit further along towards where Pendennis Castle is, and Turtle Beach is this bit right here, and there are steps down where you can access it. As you can see, there isn't a massive amount of actual beach, it's mostly rocks and rock pools. And then we walked from here back towards Gyllyngvase Beach just to try and trick Joey into thinking he's the boss. He is a toddler and he was toddlering this particular day particularly hard. This is Gyllyngvase Beach. It's one of the most accessible beaches in Cornwall, probably one of the most disabled friendly beaches I would say. There is a kind of walkway all the way around the outside of the beach as well. And here's the whole beach in all its glory. We decided to take a walk from Gyllyngvase all the way up to Swanpool. This walk is really not that far, it's not particularly difficult, would be fine for most people I would say. Lovely views out to the coast. This is technically on the southwest coast path. And it leads all the way to Swanpool Beach, which you can see here. It only took us about 12 minutes to walk down through this coast path to this other beach. Swanpool Beach is a little bit smaller than Gyllyngvase Beach, still beautiful, lovely and sandy, still fairly accessible. It is a bit of a steep hill down if you're doing the coast path walk. Just across here there's also Swanpool Nature Reserve, which is a big lake that you can walk around. So now we're just headed back along the same path back towards Gyllyngvase Beach. As always, I will pop the postcodes to all these places in the description box and a little bit of info about them, just in case you are hoping to visit. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos. We will see you next time.